Space is vast. The universe stretches out in all directions, an endless expanse of stars, planets, and galaxies. It's a realm of infinite possibilities and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Yet, while the cosmos captures our imagination with its grandeur, our most significant achievements often occur in the most unassuming places. Our human endeavors, however, often unfold in the smallest of spaces, a bustling city street, a crowded market, or even a quiet corner of a laboratory. These are the places where innovation thrives, where the seeds of groundbreaking discoveries are sown. Take for instance a lab bench. It may seem like just another piece of furniture, but it's a stage for countless experiments and the birthplace of numerous inventions that have shaped our world. There, in 1968, Dr. Spencer Silver, a scientist at 3M, embarked on a mission. With a keen mind and a passion for chemistry, he set out to create something extraordinary. His goal was ambitious, to develop a super-strong adhesive, a glue that could hold together even the heaviest of materials. Imagine the possibilities: construction projects, industrial applications, and everyday repairs, all made easier with this powerful new adhesive. But science is full of surprises. Imagine Dr. Silver's astonishment when his experiment yielded the opposite of what he intended. Instead of a powerful bond, he created a weak, pressure-sensitive adhesive. This new adhesive was unlike anything he had seen before. It stuck lightly to surfaces but could be peeled off without leaving any residue. It was also reusable, a feature that set it apart from traditional glues. It was a sticky situation to be sure, but little did Silver know this failure would one day revolutionize the way we work and organize our thoughts. Sometimes, the most unexpected outcomes lead to the most profound innovations. This adhesive was unusual. It had properties that made it unique and versatile. It could be applied to various surfaces, removed without damage, and reused multiple times. These characteristics opened up a world of possibilities. Imagine the convenience of an adhesive that could be used repeatedly without losing its stickiness. It stuck lightly to surfaces but could be peeled off without leaving any residue. It was also reusable, making it perfect for temporary applications and quick fixes. You could stick it and unstick it multiple times. This feature made it ideal for tasks that required flexibility and adaptability. From organizing notes to labeling items, the possibilities were endless. Silver's colleagues were intrigued by this strange new material, but its applications remained elusive. They knew they had something special, but it would take time and creativity to unlock its full potential. And so, the quest for superglue took an unexpected turn, leading to the creation of a product that would become a staple in offices and homes around the world. Science is often about unexpected discoveries. It's a journey filled with twists and turns, where the destination is not always what we set out to find. Many of the greatest scientific breakthroughs have come from moments of serendipity, where a curious mind stumbles upon something extraordinary while exploring the ordinary. It's about stumbling upon something new, something that wasn't part of the original plan. Imagine hiking through a dense forest, your eyes scanning the ground for a specific type of plant, only to find a rare species of insect instead. These moments of surprise and wonder are the essence of scientific exploration, while searching for something else entirely. This is the beauty of science, the ability to adapt, to pivot, and to embrace the unexpected. It's in these moments that true innovation is born, when we allow ourselves to be open to new possibilities and to see the world through a different lens. Silver's adhesive was a perfect example. Dr. Silver, a dedicated scientist, was on a mission to create a super-strong glue. He spent countless hours in his lab, experimenting with different formulas and materials, hoping to develop an adhesive that could hold anything together with unyielding strength. It was not the super-strong glue he had set out to create. Instead, he ended up with a substance that was quite the opposite. A weak adhesive that could barely hold two pieces of paper together. At first it seemed like a failure, a disappointing result after so much hard work. Yet this accidental invention possessed unique properties that would eventually capture the world's attention. Unlike traditional adhesives, Silver's creation was temporary and repositionable. It could stick to surfaces and be easily removed without leaving any residue, making it incredibly versatile. The adhesive's stickiness was temporary and repositionable. This meant that it could be used in a variety of applications where permanent adhesion was not desired. From simple household tasks to complex industrial processes, the potential uses for this new adhesive were endless. This unusual characteristic made it different from any other adhesive on the market. It was a game changer, a product that filled a niche no one had even realized existed. People began to see the value in an adhesive that could be used, removed, and reused multiple times without losing its effectiveness. It was a scientific anomaly, a happy accident waiting for its purpose to be revealed. Dr. Silver's discovery reminds us that sometimes, the most remarkable innovations come from the most unexpected places. It's a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and the willingness to embrace the unknown. For years, Silver's adhesive languished in the labs of 3M. It was a solution without a problem. Scientists recognized its unique properties, but no one could quite figure out what to do with it. Some suggested using it to coat bulletin boards, but the idea never gained traction. The adhesive seemed destined to remain a scientific curiosity. Little did they know the answer was just around the corner. It would come from an unexpected source, a colleague facing a rather ordinary yet persistent problem. In 1974, Arthur Fry, another 3M scientist, found himself facing a common frustration. Fry was a man of many interests, but one of his greatest passions was singing in his church choir. Every Sunday he would join his fellow choir members, lifting their voices in harmony. However, there was one small problem that constantly nagged at him. An avid member of his church choir, Fry used slips of paper to mark his place in his hymnal. These slips of paper were his makeshift bookmarks, and while they served their purpose to some extent, they were far from perfect. During the choir sessions, Fry would often find himself fumbling with these paper slips, trying to keep his place in the hymnal. However, these makeshift bookmarks had a tendency to fall out, leaving him scrambling during hymns. It was a frustrating experience, especially when he lost his place in the middle of a song. Fry knew there had to be a better way to keep his place without the constant hassle of dealing with fallen bookmarks. One Sunday, as Fry pondered his bookmark woes, he recalled Silver's adhesive. Spencer Silver, a fellow 3M scientist, had developed a unique adhesive that was pressure-sensitive and reusable. Although it hadn't found a commercial application yet, Fry saw potential in it. He wondered if this adhesive could be the solution to his bookmark problem. Could this be the solution he had been searching for? Fry's mind raced with possibilities. If he could apply Silver's adhesive to his bookmarks, they might stay in place without falling out. The idea seemed simple, yet revolutionary. He decided to give it a try and see if it could solve his persistent problem. Fry experimented by coating his bookmarks with the adhesive. He carefully applied a thin layer of the adhesive to the slips of paper he used as bookmarks. With a sense of anticipation, he placed them in his hymnal and waited to see if they would stay in place during the next choir session. To his delight, they stayed in place without damaging the pages. The bookmarks held firm, even when he turned the pages of the hymnal. It was a small victory, but it felt like a significant breakthrough. Fry was thrilled with the results and couldn't wait to share his discovery with others. He could even reposition them without leaving any residue. This was a game changer. The adhesive allowed him to move the bookmarks around as needed, without leaving any sticky residue behind. It was a clean and efficient solution to a problem that had plagued him for so long. Fry realized that Silver's adhesive had finally found its purpose. What started as a simple idea to solve a personal frustration had the potential to become something much bigger. Fry's innovative use of the adhesive would eventually lead to the creation of the Post-it note, a product that would revolutionize the way people organize their thoughts and tasks. The bookmark breakthrough was just the beginning of a remarkable journey. Section 5. From Lab to Life, the birth of Post-it notes. Fry shared his discovery with colleagues at 3M. Initially, there was skepticism. Could a product as simple as a reusable bookmark really find a market? Undeterred, Fry and his team persisted. They believed in the product's potential. They refined the adhesive, ensuring it would stick securely yet peel off easily. They experimented with different sizes and colors, eventually settling on the now iconic canary yellow. In 1980, 3M officially launched Post-it notes. Section 6. A colorful revolution. The response was nothing short of phenomenal. Post-it notes quickly became an indispensable tool for offices, schools, and homes around the world. Their bright color made them hard to miss, ensuring important messages were never overlooked. Their versatility made them ideal for a wide range of uses, from jotting down reminders to brainstorming ideas. The Post-it note, born from a failed experiment and a choir singer's frustration, had become a global icon. Section 7. Sticking around Post-it notes today. Decades later, Post-it notes remain a ubiquitous presence in our lives. They have evolved beyond their original square shape and canary yellow hue, now available in a rainbow of colors, sizes, and even shapes. Digital note-taking apps may have emerged, but the humble Post-it note continues to hold its own. There's something satisfyingly tactile about scribbling a message on a Post-it note and sticking it where it needs to be seen. Section 8. Beyond the note, the power of accidental innovation. The story of the Post-it note is a testament to the power of accidental innovation. It reminds us that sometimes the greatest discoveries are made when we least expect them. It highlights the importance of curiosity, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected. Silver's failed experiment and Fry's simple yet ingenious application demonstrate that innovation can arise from the most unlikely of places. Section 9. A universe of possibilities. As we explore the cosmos, searching for answers to life's biggest questions, let us remember the humble post-it note. It serves as a reminder that even the smallest discoveries can have a profound impact on our world. It encourages us to approach challenges with an open mind and to embrace the unknown. For within the realm of possibilities, even a sticky situation can lead to something truly remarkable.